In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download CapCut on PC. So this is a beginner tutorial and I'm going to show you step by step. So first you want to open up your Windows key or just go to your Windows icon in the bottom left hand corner. And then what we're going to do is do a search for the Microsoft Store. Now, if you're on Mac, these instructions are going to be different. So I'm just showing you how to do it on Windows PC. So go and open up the Microsoft Store. Once you've got the Microsoft Store open, you then want to do a search for CapCut. Click enter. And it will show the results here. Now make sure you actually download CapCut and not any of these other random ones. So click on CapCut, which is free. You can then go ahead and click on install in the top right hand corner here. And that should then start to download CapCut. Now it is 549 megabytes, so it may take a while depending on your internet connection. So I'll be back once it's downloaded. Okay, so now that's completed and you can see this is grayed out now. So it must be installed now. So if we minimize this window, we can just go ahead and open up the Windows icon again and then search for CapCut. And you can see it's downloaded. Look, so now we can open this and it's then going to open up the CapCut editing software for the first time. Again, it may be a bit slow on startup for the first time because it's just going to install and open everything. It's telling me I need to update my graphics driver, which I'm going to do later. It should then open CapCut. Here you can see is CapCut and you can now use this to edit your projects. So I hope that video did help you out.